When it comes to business applications, the concept of AI is not new. It has actually existed for many years. And for most of us, we've actually enjoyed a lot of these capabilities within BTP, whether it comes to predictive AI or conversational AI, which is all powered by NLP. And also the recently launched machine learning scenarios within the HANA service on BTP. Those are all super powerful, and of course chatbots and Copilot. These capabilities have actually existed for many years, but what's becoming more area of focus now is the generative AI, which is all around creating new content, new data sets, which is images, audio, video, text. And in terms of business focus, it creates a massive opportunity in terms of business productivity gains, speed, removing bottlenecks, efficiency gains, and really solving problems in a creative way very, very quickly. So if you're a business leader and you're looking to invest in this area, here are 5 best practices that you can adapt or adopt to be able to get to a good return on investment on your use cases within AI. I think the first one is the use case selection. This is so important. Like, this is the most basic element. Your use case selection is going to really determine your success here. So your use case selection, in my opinion, should not be something that should be at an industry level or even at a business function level. It actually is a lot more granular. It is actually at a task level. And you want to start at a task level in terms of your use cases first, just because that would allow you to get faster time to value, and you will be able to make progress and be able to get your end-to-end scenario completion as a person who is investing in your AI strategy. So I would recommend to start at a task level, and also you can, through that, the second step that you will do is actually put a metric on that task. So basically you can say by using AI or generative AI, we're able to save this much time, and we were able to remove bottleneck in this particular area. What that does is that you're able to put a metric, and that really is an important criteria for you to have a good use case. The third thing that you want to be able to do is then tie it back to a business function. So what you need to do is study your overall operating model, whether it's sales, operations, you have HR, you have strategy, you have finance. You want to be able to roll it up and then figure out which operating model it is impacting. It could be areas around recruitment. It could be areas around compensation or workplace bias or well-being, or areas around reporting. So you want to be able to figure that out, because once you know it, it is then easier to do your fourth step, which is your building the overall roadmap. And the roadmap would mean is that you want to be able to roll up a task into a role, specific role, and then from there a function, and from a function to an industry use case. And from an industry use case, you go over to, you're able to now build in technology that is your AI technology that represents the use cases that are applicable to your business. So it basically then creates your roadmap as well while you're making progress. And that thing, another strategy that you need to apply is to know that you want to be a responsible leader, especially when it comes to people. There are a lot of implications of AI, and to be a responsible leader, there are things around ethical considerations, bias, data privacy, and copyrights that you want to be fully aware of in terms of your scenario selection. So these are elements that you want to look at. And finally, the most important one is the pricing. So pricing is pretty tricky, and in a lot of the cases, the pricing could be based on the inputs or the outputs or the tokens, or it could be based on the cost of your model, which means that you need to be able to do that analysis as well, so that you can also get a return on that investment, and really find out if this scenario is worth doing with AI, because not all scenarios are applicable. for AI, or a good scenario or suitable scenario for AI. So I think by using these 5 steps, you're able to really create a good AI strategy and find a happy balance between the hype of AI and your investment risk.